We all know that language is a tool for communication, so if you understand English very well, but when it comes to speaking, you struggle, this video is for you. I'm going to share the methods that personally helped me become fluent in English, and it's also my answer to one of the most common comments on my last video, so I hope it helps you too. Think about it this way. Imagine you read a lot of recipes and watch a lot of recipes videos, but when it comes to cooking, you struggle. Why? Because you don't practice cooking every single day. English works exactly the same way. So the first thing you need to do is listen to native English speakers as much as possible. Choose one accent that you want to learn, whether it's American or British, and listen to it every day. If possible, make your social media mostly in English so your brain gets used to the language. But don't just listen. Practice shadowing, which means repeating exactly what the speaker is saying at the same time they are saying it. Try to copy their pronunciation and the way they connect words together. This is one of the most effective ways to improve your speaking. Second, practice speaking every day. There are actually a lot of online platforms where you can practice speaking and get feedback. For example, Elsa Speak lets you practice your pronunciation and tells you what you need to improve. You can also use Youglish to hear how native speakers pronounce words and phrases in real-life situations. Even without any platforms, you can simply practice speaking in front of a mirror, just like I used to do. I would stand in front of the mirror and talk to myself about anything that came to my mind. And the key here is to start thinking in English instead of translating. For example, think about your day, what you did today, or what you're planning to do tomorrow, but do it in English and say it out loud. This will help you train your brain to think and speak in English naturally. And you can also record yourself, film yourself speaking, or do what I still do today, read out loud. Personally, I think this is one of the best methods because it improves your reading skills, helps you learn new vocabulary, and at the same time you are practicing your speaking. Finally, I think one of the most important things to understand is that language is a tool for communication. So logically, if your goal is to become fluent, you need to know how to speak and use the language in real conversations. Especially if you're already at a B1 or B2 level, you probably understand a lot of English. So now it's your time to shift your focus to speaking. Keep listening to English every day and keep practicing the methods I shared with you today, especially shadowing, reading out loud, and speaking as much as possible. If you have a friend who is learning English, practice together, but if you don't have anyone to practice with, practice in front of a mirror, just like I used to do, or use online platforms that help you improve your speaking. The truth is, we live in a time where almost everything you need to learn English is available now. The problem usually isn't the lack of resources. It's either not knowing the right methods or not being consistent enough to use them. And one of the biggest reasons I became fluent in English is that first, I loved it so much, and second, I made time for it. And personally, using to-do list and a habit tracker really helped me organize my time and stay consistent while learning English. So I hope these methods help you as much as they helped me. If they do, please let me know in the comments. And before you go, I would really love your support. A nice comment, sharing this video with your friends, or subscribing to the channel really means a lot to me because you can't imagine how much time and effort goes into creating faceless content. So every bit of support motivates me to work even harder and create more videos for you. I love you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time, inshallah.